Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bell, and so happy that you're ready to start Module 5. Can you believe it? You have reached your midterm point. At this point in the semester, we are shifting from child development to the application of child development in an introduction to the world of early childhood education. Again, most of what we talk about and do will referred to working with preschool age children as part of your preschool portion of your preschool certification. Um, but we are going to look into all sorts of things that you need to know as a preschool teacher and early childhood teacher. Some of it will still apply to elementary age as well. Now, this module covers is it's kind of a condensed module as usual. You're getting used to that, aren't you? We are going to talk about what quality is. A good early childhood teacher or an effective early childhood teacher has to know what quality early childhood education is, and you have to know why it's important. So we're going to look at that. We're going to look at how quality is regulated in early learning programs. Remember, we don't use the word daycare anymore. We use either the words child care center, early learning program, or early care and education program. We don't take care of days, we teach and care for children. And so it's important that we understand as early childhood teachers that when we work with very young children, we are doing the caring aspects as well, but we are also teaching. So I want you to understand that if you're going to get into this profession, you need to know the terminology. So we're going to look at how quality is regulated in an early learning program. We're also going to explore what tools you can use. We're going to dive into the ECEs, which is going to be an assignment that you have for this course. And we are going to look at licensing regulations because you need to know how not to get arrested and get fined and get put in jail, those kinds of things. That's really important. As an administrator, I have 4 rules. Don't get dead, don't get in jail, don't get on the news, and don't get sued. And if you're following the licensing standards, you'll be able to do that. And then we're going to look at working with families. It's a really important role that you have as an early childhood teacher is to work with families. For this course, we're going to look at understanding families as a unit and understanding culture as it impacts families and communicating with families. And then in another course, you'll learn how to involve families and educate families. And then we're going to wrap it all up with learning about culture. And you should have already been exploring doing your cultural immersion project. If you haven't, you can get started on that. Culture is a really important aspect of early childhood teaching. You cannot reach children without going through their families, and as soon as you disrespect or insult their culture, they put a roadblock up and you can't access them. So it's really important that you as a teacher understand your own culture, your own biases, and what other people's cultures are so that you can learn to cooperate and collaborate with them. I hope you get a lot out of this module. As you can see, it's time for a haircut and a shave. Been a busy time, and I know it has for you. I am so proud of you all, and keep on plugging.